Hello and welcome to the BigBasket channel. Having a clean and tidy home is not as difficult. All it takes is to adopt a few habits as a part of your daily routine to always have your home guest ready. In this video, we will talk about a few simple habits that you can adopt to have a cleaner and tidier space. But that's not all. Here is a fun giveaway challenge that you can participate in to win an exciting voucher from BigBasket. Watch this video till end and tell how many times the word habits has been used in this video. Write your answers in the comment section and subscribe to the BigBasket channel to meet the basic eligibility and stand a chance to win some exciting vouchers from BigBasket. Now, let's begin with our habits. A habit of having a daily, weekly, and monthly cleaning routine helps to be on top of your cleaning game. How? Well, a routine sets the rhythm of your activity. Our mind automatically gets tuned to certain actions, and having a clear idea of when to clean and what to clean reduces the daily confusion to a great extent. The next very common question would be how to form these routines. Well, it's very simple. Just pen down all the cleaning chores that fall under your purview. Then make 3 rows of daily, weekly, and monthly cleaning needs. Now simply fill these rows with the cleaning agendas as per your needs. Like cleaning windows and fans can be a monthly affair. Vacuuming the carpet, sofas, or windowsills can be a part of weekly routine. And dusting certain areas of the house, making beds, sweeping, mopping, and cleaning countertops can be a daily affair. Every household's needs are different, so make your own cleaning routine that suits your needs well. You can pen it down to begin with, but once these routines become a habit, the cleaning will work in auto mode. Cleaning can get overwhelming when we keep ignoring the daily mess as it keeps on piling up. A bigger mess creates more friction to clean, and it only gets harder with time. So, getting into a simple habit of immediate cleaning or cleaning as you go helps reduce this everyday mess to build up in the first place. Simply putting things back to where they belong one by one will be half job done, and as the space looks cleaner, the urge to clean it further increases. But there can be times when you are just not in the mood for cleaning. On those days, give yourself a push and set yourself a timer of just 5 minutes of cleaning. This push from the timer will help you with your quick cleanups very efficiently, and in most cases, this 5-minute push continues and helps you clean bigger areas in the house like a pro. Too many things kept in an unorganized way can look like a big pile of mess. So, to have a clean and tidy space, it's important to deal with this mess from time to time. Having a simple habit of decluttering things that you no longer need not only reduces this pile, but now there are fewer things to worry about in the house. But just decluttering is not enough. Giving a home to everything in your house is the real trick to having a clean and tidy space. If you have a designated spot for everything in the house, 90% of the time you will put things back into their respective places immediately after their use, which means not creating a mess in the first place. This habit of organizing and giving home to everything in the house will save a lot of your time in doing that extra cleaning later. Updating your cleaning systems and finding new and effective cleaning tools is a great habit to have a cleaner space. Sometimes when we rely on old systems, they may not give a good cleaning outcome, leading to some discouragement. However, finding effective tools help in great cleaning, which in turn motivates us to continue with our cleaning process. So, if you are struggling with some cleaning issues, see if you can get some new tools to solve these problems and evolve your cleaning systems for the better. Having a clean and tidy home is not a one-day job but a continuous process. So making tiny cleaning habits and being at it helps us have a cleaner home. If not much, just showing up and making the effort to do one tiny cleaning session a day can also help us achieve a cleaner and tidier space. If cleaning the entire kitchen looks overwhelming, start with just scrubbing the countertop. Most of the time, we stay in the momentum and clean most areas without even realizing it. So just showing up and being at it helps in making our home cleaner. I hope this video will motivate you and help you make some habits for a clean and tidy space. If it did, give this video a big thumbs up. Also, write the answer to the giveaway in the comment section below while also subscribing to the BigBasket channel to stand a chance to win some exciting vouchers from BigBasket. And I'll see you in my next video very soon.